Hi, my name is Rich. I'm one of the watch and jewelry specialists here at Gray & Sons Jewelers. And in the 18 years that I've worked here, I've been able to meet a lot of clients from all over the world. And one of the things I like best about working in the jewelry industry is being able to facilitate these moments, special moments in people's lives, these gift-giving occasions. And recently we were contacted by a gentleman who wanted to do something special for his wife of many years. He wanted to buy her an upgraded diamond wedding ring. He wanted to make it something special. He wanted to surprise her, but he also wanted her to have a hand in picking out exactly what she was going to get. So what he did is he went onto our website, picked out 3 diamond rings that he thought she would like. He called us up and asked us to have those 3 diamond rings ready for when he came in with his wife. And about a week later, he came in with her. She thought she was coming into Gray & Sons to help her husband pick out a Rolex watch for himself. So she was absolutely floored when we brought out that tray of diamond rings, and her husband turned to her and said, which one do you want? We helped her pick out the right ring for her, one that she was absolutely delighted with, and her husband definitely earned some points that day. We don't always get to be a part of that gift-giving moment, but knowing that we are a part of it is something special.